Hey guys, it's Mendocino Tech Guru here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do an iPhone 7 battery replacement. So you're going to want to start off with your pentalobe screwdriver, and you're going to want to take off the two screws at the bottom. So here's the first screw, and then here's the other one. So you're going to want to get your metal pry tool, and you're going to want to wedge it in the crevice between the metal frame and the screen there at the bottom. And you're going to want to insert just the tip and start slowly prying upward, not too much pressure. And you're going to want to go all around the sides and the body of the screen. And just slowly start entering it in there and prying upward. Then the top of the screen here. The top of the screen right here, you're going to want to wedge in there and push outward direction. You're going to want to flip it open sideways to the right like a book. You're going to want to take off the 4 screws that are over the bracket of the screen cables. So there's 4 screws. You're going to want to get a Y point or triple point screwdriver, and you're going to remove 4 screws. Once you take the bracket off, you're going to want to unplug the battery using a plastic pry tool or plastic spudger. Disconnect the battery. Then you're going to want to disconnect the screen cables. There's 2 ribbon screen cables right there next to the battery connection. That's 1, and that's 2. So the next thing, you're going to want to undo the 2 screws holding over the next bracket at the top over the last connector. You're going to use a standard Phillips regular screwdriver there. Once the 2 screws are removed and the bracket, you can unplug the last screen cable there with a plastic spudger and remove the screen. So now we can get to removing the battery, although we're going to want to make it easier. So the Taptic engine there at the bottom, using a Phillips screwdriver, we're going to remove the 3 screws holding in the Taptic engine. And then there's 2 screws at the bottom with the plastic bracket. You're going to want to undo those screws as well and take out the little plastic bracket. There's a little connection holding the Taptic engine. And then you're going to take out the Taptic engine, and then you're going to start pulling on those tabs there at the bottom for the battery. Just slowly pull them out. Don't pull too fast. Then there, the battery's out. We're going to want to test the phone first. So get your new battery, plug in your screen, plug in all the cables. So then plug in your new battery, and we're going to test it. Okay, it looks like it works. So we're going to unplug it now, and we're going to reassemble the phone. So you're going to get your Taptic engine. You're going to make sure all your ribbon cables are plugged in properly. So get the Taptic engine and insert it there at the bottom. And then push back in the little connector and get the little plastic bracket and the 2 screws that go over it, and then the 3 screws that go back on the Taptic engine. Okay, you're gonna want to get your battery there, and I'm just putting on the glue tabs on there. Okay, connect it, put the bracket back over it, re-screw the Y point screws, 4 of them. And then the last bracket at the top with 2 Phillips screws. And there you go. Just reassemble the screen, put it back together, put back together the last 2 pentalobe screws, and you're done. iPhone 7 battery replacement. Thank you for watching.